Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which leaf is on the Canadian flag? Maple leaf. Which ocean borders Canada to the east? Atlantic Ocean. What is Canada's national animal? Beaver. Which currency is used in Canada? Canadian dollar. Which city is the largest in Canada? Toronto. Which language is widely spoken in Quebec? French. Canada is in which continent? North America. What colors are on the Canadian flag? Red and white. Which country borders Canada to the south? United States. Medium mode. Which province has Toronto? Ontario. Which Canadian city hosted 2010 Olympics? Vancouver. Which river is longest in Canada? Mackenzie River. Which province is French-speaking? Quebec. Which sea is north of Canada? Arctic Ocean. What is Canada's largest province by area? Quebec. Which Canadian city has CN Tower? Toronto. Which animal appears on the nickel coin? Beaver. Which Canadian city is in Alberta? Edmonton. Which holiday is on July 1st? Canada Day. Hard mode. Which province touches 3 oceans? None. What is Canada's highest mountain? Mount Logan. Which bay is the largest in Canada? Hudson Bay. Which territory is capital Yellowknife? Northwest Territories. Which Canadian PM appears on $10 bill? Robert Borden. Which lake is largest entirely in Canada? Lake Winnipeg. Which Canadian province has no coastline? All of these. Which city is Canada's capital of government? Ottawa. Which animal is protected by law as national symbol? Beaver. Which strait separates Alaska, Canada? Bering Strait. Insane mode. Which province joined Canada last? Newfoundland and Labrador. Which Canadian city is furthest north? Iqaluit. What is the longest street in the world, Canada? Yonge Street. Which Canadian territory has most Inuit population? Nunavut. Which city is called the Big Smoke? Toronto. Which province has most lakes? Manitoba. Which mountain range is in Western Canada? Rocky Mountains. Which Canadian coin is called loonie? $1 coin. Which province's capital is Charlottetown? Prince Edward Island? Which Canadian park is world famous for polar bears? Churchill. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.